Inventory is the heartbeat of many businesses, especially those in retail or product-based industries. Meeting customer demand while staying competitive necessitates having the right products in stock at the right time. However, managing your inventory can be a complex balancing act, and cash flow constraints can hinder your ability to stock up on essential goods or adapt to seasonal fluctuations. This is where a line of credit steps in as the hero. It offers your business the financial dexterity to purchase inventory, access funds when you need to buy inventory in bulk, securing better deals and preventing stockouts. A line of credit also ensures you have the financial cushion to manage inventory during highs and lows, whether it's a holiday rush or a quiet season. It allows you to keep up with the latest market trends by having the capital to adapt your inventory to evolving customer preferences. You can also capitalize on growth prospects such as expanding your product range, entering new markets, or leveraging supplier discounts. And most importantly, it helps you safeguard your cash flow while investing in inventory that can lead to higher sales and